What's up, guys? We're here in our father and daughter vlog with my daughter. Her name is Maria Jassel, and my name is Jadiel Sihianon. I am 30 years old, and her age is 4 months old, going to 4 months old. And we're here to make some vlog. Say hi to the vlog, baby. Hi. Hey, hi. Here, we're sleeping while her mother is preparing our food because I cooked the food, so her mother were going to serve it for us. So we can eat our dinner for today's video. So what's yours? What's your What is your viands or menu for today's video? Please comment down below so we can see your viand this night. Okay, goodbye. We love you. Say bye bye, baby. Bye bye.